The W204 alarm system supports adding 99 remote controllers, and it has 100 defense zones built in, which is convenient for remote controller management.
0, 1, remote control. Add, successfully programmed.
You can learn the remote controller to different defense zones, or you can learn them all to the same defense zone.
Add, successfully programmed.
You can use the remote controller to remotely control the host, arm, disarm, home arm, SOS. The W204 alarm system supports adding 20 RFID cards, and you can use RFID cards to quickly arm and disarm. The W204 alarm system supports adding 99 detectors, and it has 100 built-in detector defense zones, which is convenient for detector management.
Add 0, 1, zone. Add, successfully programmed.
At the same time, you can set different defense zone attributes for the detector defense zone, so that the W204 alarm system can process the detector signals of different defense zones differently. For example, infrared learns the 02 defense zone, and then sets the defense zone attribute of the 02 defense zone to home. In this way, when you set the W204 to the home arm state, all the detectors in the 02 defense zone are triggered, and the W204 alarm system will not alarm, but it will not prevent the 01 defense zone detector from triggering and causing the W204 alarm system to alarm.